What's up, everyone? Good morning. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to try something a little new today. I'm going to do a little pre-market review. We're looking here at the Spider ETF overall, and if we zoom in here, let me just go to this is a 4-hour chart. We can see, I don't know if you can see this, but we've pushed up in pre-market and after-market, actually yesterday's hours and futures trading, and we pushed up and broke this 280.50 level, and we're holding up here above 280.50. Now let me zoom in. Um, what time frame do I want? Let's go on this one. All right, so sorry guys. So zooming in here, we can see we've pushed up and broken this 280.50s level pretty strong, and we're now holding up here in pre-market. So this is yesterday's trading from 8 o'clock on Sunday until I think 12, and then this is pre-market. So we're holding above this 280.50 level. This is a very bullish sign. I think we have the next resistance level is at 285.50, 285.30. If I go back to the 1 hour, the 180-day 4-hour chart, we can see once we break, see we've broken and we're holding up above these highs, these previous highs of October and November. And if we can hold above this level, the next resistance area is going to be up here around 284.40s, correlating with this yellow dotted line which I've drawn, because we can see here this was just a straight sell off. There's no support area in here. The next support area was right here. So coming into today, if we go to the 1 day 1 minute, we can see that there's no volume. We held above this aftermarket on Friday, and there was no volume here until right here, and there's I think over 1 million shares traded here, and we bounced up off this 280.50 level on high volume. This is very high volume, especially for aftermarket hours. Sorry, there's maybe 180,000 shares traded here. No, there's about a million. Let me go to the 5 minute. So there's over 1 million shares traded here on high volume. These are all buys, and it bounced off 280s, and we've held that. We've never come back to retest 280 cents in the Sundays, and in today's pre-market trading, we're holding right here at 281. So at open, I'm very bullish on the market, but I think I would not take any long positions until we sell off, and I would look for a hold and a bounce above this 280.50 level, and then I'd look for a push higher all the way up to possibly 285 over the next 2 days. So that's where we sit. I'm going to look for this morning a retracement back down to 280.50s, and then I'm going to expect to push higher on the market. That being said, I don't know, and nobody knows for sure. We could just open up the gates and push all the way up to 285. We could sell back down off to 276. Who knows? But based on this price action and where we sit on a larger time frame, I expect a pull back to 280.50s and a push higher. Now, my plan for the day, I'm at 7:30 right now. I'm about to start digging around the market and trying to find some stocks in play, some stocks I'm going to watch. My plan of the day is I am not going to take any trades in the first 15 minutes of trading. I'm going to sit back. I'm going to choose my stocks. I'm going to set proper risk reward levels based on technicals. And once 9:45 comes around, if there's any stocks that provide me with a trade that looks like it falls within my requirements, then I'll take the trade. If not, then I won't take any trades. We'll see. I may not take any trades today, But that's the strategy coming into today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. See you next time.